Hey. Hey.
Everywhere. Yes, I've got sperm on my keyring. It's so sexy. Get off my bike now. Oh, I need to sort out that log nut. Focus. Where to go in Madeley? Let's bloody go then! I didn't need Alfie anyway. Why can't I do it? It's landing on the seat. Yeah, I think it's time to change location. We are now in a new spot. This is actually where my profile picture was taken. Up there. So. Train! What the hell's another? yeah, profile picture was taken. Over there. Jesus Christ, my channel's going to be train spotting. Look at that sexy bike though. But would you look at that view? These bars are Colt Quattros. A bit scratched. Not very nice. Got some Colt AKs on them. Pretty comfy. A bit worn down, but you ride nice and smooth. Same on the other side, as you would. Very nice bars. I think they're 9-inch in rise. They ride like a beast. Very sexy. Easy to work around. There's the usual salt, because you know I'm a very salty person at times. It's alloy, like most of my bike. Very nice. And I didn't need a top cap because I'm just bored of that one. You know. Go dark. Whoa. And like. Frame is the main part. Look how nice that colour is. It's a glossy, it's a sunset, it's an orange. Can't go wrong. So with justice, I think it's A130 Chromo. J for James. Joking, it's a justice sticker. Within my bike review, well, check. I'll start with the top half. Once again, salt, as expected, because We The People basically did a clash with salt on this bike. Yeah, it's very smooth. I have tightened it too much, it's a bit stiff, but I can sort that out. I can sort it out. Forks, salt again. Nice, very nice, orange. Federal sticker and We The People, just because it's nice. Now the wheels are actually salt Valon. Stickers there, I don't know if you can see it. Focus there. Very nice, smooth. Although I do need to tighten my lock nut on the wheel because there's a bit of movement. Just a bit of movement. It's okay though. Up in there I think it cut out, but forks, salt, front and back. I've hardly used them because I want to just learn how to feed one Smith. But nonetheless, they're very nice pegs. They're very smooth. They slide. I'd recommend them. 9 out of 10. It's a tripod seat. The seat post and the clamp are also tripod. Although the seat, well, the clamp is welded onto the bike. I don't know why I've got a flange here, but it gives me good luck when I'm going to send out. Bad boys. The tyres. These are Donna Squeaks. Alex BSD Donna Squeaks. They're very squeaky, very nice. Look at that. 50 to 110 psi, pretty good. Once again, the salt Valons to hold these bad boys. They were very smooth, to be honest. The salt hubs, as you would, because it is a salt wheel. Now the sprocket system on this bike is, you know, salt, because it is mainly a salt bike. It has a 26:9 ratio. It runs pretty fast and it is easy to pedal, so it's pretty good if I'm being honest. The cranks on this bike, once again salt, and the pedals, as it is We The People salt mix. Very nice actually. The colour hasn't faded. Obviously it can't fade because it's chrome, but it hasn't rusted. No problems with it. The sprocket, meant to be chrome, a bit dirty. Chain, salt, once again. But yeah, I think that's going to conclude this bike check. I think I've gone over everything on this beast. Very nice bike once again, although my headset is a bit rusty. Hit me up. Any bike companies, I am free to sponsors. I'm going to see if I can 180 on here. I don't think I will, but let's see. Thank you, baby. did it. Someone 18. Let's get out of here. It's a rainbow! Would you look at that view? Half the ice. Photo done. It's windy. That's going to conclude today's video. If you liked, smash that like button, pop that subscribe button. Sorry, walking through crap. And don't forget to leave a comment. Bye bye. This is going to be an extra clip, but half of the 32 people that watch these, do any of you know how to bar? Because I just need to man up, because I keep doing pussy bars and I need to know how. So if you do, drop a like down in the comments. Drop a like down in the comments. But anyway, if you do, drop a comment down below. Tell me how to do it and give me advice, because I need it. Yeah. Demonstration.